In this video, I show you how to fix give search not working on WhatsApp. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, update WhatsApp if available any update version. Now go to home screen, then go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on force stop. Okay. Now tap on permission, allow all permission. Now open WhatsApp. Now search for give. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp give search not working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.